In September 2025, OpenAI launched Instant Checkout. Users can now discover and purchase Etsy products directly inside a ChatGPT window, bypassing traditional websites entirely. This replaces the traditional digital entrepreneurship model, which relied on the rigid technical requirements of search engine optimization. Sellers spent years executing repetitive manual tasks. They were forced to stuff product titles with awkward keywords, battling hundreds of competitors for visibility on page 1 of a search result. This older system had a limitation. It required capturing the attention of humans scrolling past competing visuals. That competition for human attention is now being bypassed by a faster, automated process. OpenAI's Instant Checkout removes the need for traditional search engines or web browsers. This centralization is driven by ChatGPT's 700 million weekly active users. Research shows a massive portion of these queries are already focused on shopping and product discovery. This volume of buyer traffic is being redirected away from standard platforms directly into the chat interface. AI-driven retrieval is replacing the manual, human-driven search process. Etsy is OpenAI's inaugural commerce partner for this rollout. The system is powered by a framework called the Agentic Commerce Protocol, co-built with Stripe. This protocol processes secure background transactions without traditional checkout pages. During parsing, the AI extracts parameters like dimensions and materials. Then, in retrieval, organic results are ranked purely by mathematical relevance. The AI functions as an autonomous personal shopper, executing logic-based decisions to find a match. The experience is seamless. A buyer asks a question and receives a specific product card, ready to purchase with a single click inside the chat window. However, the AI does not pull from the entire Etsy database at random. There is a specific gatekeeping mechanism in place. To appear in these chat results, a seller shop must be actively enrolled in Etsy's off-site ads program. Listings from shops not enrolled in off-site ads are completely invisible to the Agentic Commerce Protocol, regardless of how well they are optimized for traditional search. Technical eligibility has replaced keyword density as the primary requirement for securing these sales. This shift marks the transition to GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization. Sellers are no longer writing for humans who are browsing an app. Instead, descriptions must be written to satisfy the AI agent's need for factual, definitive data that answers a user's prompt. This requires clear data structuring, precise attributes, and definitive formatting. AI agents prioritize these structured signals over traditional keyword spam. The boundary between a conversational interface and a retail storefront has been removed. Direct. Digital entrepreneurs who do not adapt their listings to the requirements of GEO risk losing their visibility to those who provide the structured data the AI requires. AI now operates as an autonomous storefront, using logic to identify products and closing deals entirely on its own. Subscribe to the AI and Gen Z channel to master these new AI parsing rules. This technology connects a seller's inventory directly to 700 million weekly chat queries. Mastering the date parsing logic of the Agentic Commerce Protocol is what determines who captures that traffic.